Hi, Maricola here. So I'm cleaning my freezer and our fridge, and I found this beef, and I'm gonna use whatever we have to make something. So I'm gonna cook. I washed it, and now I'm drying it. It's all dry, and I'm gonna season it, cover it for 2 hours, and then see what I want to do with it. So I'm giving it good sea salt, good black pepper. I'm gonna give a little bit of that French mustard. I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and I'll put it in the fridge for maybe 2 hours. Okay, so here it's all done. Now I'm gonna cover it nicely, and then we'll put it in the fridge. Okay, so this is my ingredients. What I'm gonna do. This is the ingredient. This is the beef is 2 pounds. The beef that we marinated with the mustard, that's chopped onions, bay leaf, white pepper, butter, oil, salt, and the mustard again. So we'll start with this, and then we'll see what I can add to it as I keep cooking. So I'm putting some oil in my pan. Not too much oil. We're gonna put marinated beef into the pan. Oh la la. I have to turn the fan on. I'll put it in a low. Alright. So here I've cooked both sides very well. Look at the other side and look at this side. And I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna add some butter to it. A little butter for a taste. There you go. The onion and the garlic is cooking nicely. I'm gonna put a little bit of peppercorns or crushed pepper, just to give it a little heat in it. So here it is, peppercorns, crushed pepper. I'm gonna give a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the mustard to it. I would have just poured it into it, but I want to be sure to, so I'll say one. You can add some mayonnaise, because all these things are good stuff. You know, they are good stuff with a good. I'll add one and a half. It's even better with homemade mayonnaise. We'll get there. We'll be making homemade mayonnaise next week. So now if you have a stock, you just add it. I don't have stock. I'm gonna use some water as stock. I still have to reduce the heat a bit. Okay, so here you go, nice sauce. We're gonna put the beef back into the sauce, and it will all cook. Put it like that. I'm gonna add my bay leaf, which is already washed. I always wash my bay leaves. Now clean it and then cover it. Leave it on a very low heat for about 20 minutes and I'll come back and then we cover it. So we'll come back to check. Okay, so and that's how it, let me see, I think it's, see the meat is coming off, it's soft, it's tender. Okay, so now see how thick the sauce has become. We're just gonna add a little bit of sugar, just about this, a pinch of sugar, pinch of white pepper, just a bit. Very rich gravy with beef, very very rich. It's gonna go with rice, it can go with mashed potatoes, it can go with any type of potatoes, anyhow you make it, you will go with it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you, and share.